In the world of industrial maintenance, high-rise inspections, or even extreme adventure sports, rope access has revolutionized how we reach seemingly unreachable places. Whether it's scaling a 50-story skyscraper, inspecting a wind turbine, or maintaining offshore platforms, rope access offers a safe, efficient, and cost-effective method for accessing challenging workspaces. But with great heights come great responsibilities, especially when it comes to safety. This comprehensive article breaks down everything you need to know about rope access: the techniques that make it possible, the gear that keeps you safe, the rescue procedures that save lives, and practical setup walkthroughs to help both novice and veteran technicians operate with maximum precision and confidence. 1. What is rope access? Rope access is a system of work positioning that uses ropes and associated equipment to access and work at height or in confined spaces. Unlike scaffolding or mechanical lifts, rope access offers a flexible, low-footprint, and often safer alternative for complex environments. Developed from climbing and caving techniques, modern rope access is now governed by rigorous international standards, such as those established by IRATA, Industrial Rope Access Trade Association, and SPRAT, Society of Professional Rope Access Technicians. Second, rope access techniques, core skills for safe movement. At the heart of rope access is the ability to ascend, descend, traverse, and position oneself precisely, all while minimizing fall risks. 1. Double rope system. The foundation of all rope access work is the use of two ropes. Main working line carries the technician's weight. Backup safety line provides fall protection in case the main rope fails. This redundancy is what sets rope access apart from many other height access systems. 2. Ascending and descending. Technicians use ascenders, jumars, to move upward along the rope. Descenders like the Petzl ID or D20 are used to move downward smoothly and control speed. Smooth transitions between ascending and descending are crucial and must be practiced routinely to avoid fatigue or mistakes in high-pressure environments. Third, rope-to-rope transfer. This allows technicians to switch between two rope systems mid-air, which is often necessary when navigating around obstacles or changing vertical routes. 4. Horizontal movement, jashijarn, aid climbing. In some situations, workers need to traverse horizontally. This is done using cow's tails or lanyards, which are connected to safety lines or horizontal lifelines. In more technical scenarios, aid climbing techniques are used, particularly in inspection and construction tasks. Third, essential rope access gear. Safety starts with the right equipment. Your gear is your lifeline, literally. High quality, regularly inspected equipment is non-negotiable. 1. Harnesses. Sit harnesses are used for most rope access work, combined with a chest harness to ensure body posture remains upright during falls. Brands like Petzl, Singing Rock, and CMC offer certified harnesses with ergonomic designs. Second, descenders. Petzl ID, a self-braking descender ideal for controlled descents and belaying. CT Sparrow, known for its smooth action and emergency features. Kong, OKA, compact and favored for rescue situations. Third, ascenders. Handled ascenders are used with foot loops or foot ascenders to climb efficiently. Petzl Ascension and Kroll are popular, durable choices. Fourth, backup devices. Petzl ASAP or Rock Exotica. Akimbo. These act as fall arresters and slide with the user during movement. In case of a slip, they instantly lock. 5. Connectors and carabiners. Screw gate and triple locking carabiners made of aluminum or steel are essential. Always use connectors rated to at least 22 kilonewtons for major axis loading. 6. Helmets and gloves. Helmets with chin straps like Petzl Vertex protect against falling debris. Durable gloves enhance grip and reduce rope burn risk. 7. Ropes. Use EN 1891 Type A static ropes with low stretch. Diameters range between 10.5 millimeters and 11.5 millimeters, depending on the system used. Always log rope use and retire ropes after wear indicators are visible or after a major shock load. Fourth, Rope access, safety protocols, zero compromise. Working at height is inherently risky. That's why safety isn't just a checklist, it's a mindset. 1. The buddy system. Technicians never work alone. At least 2 trained individuals must be present, one of whom is a level 3 rope access supervisor qualified to perform rescues. Second job, hazard analysis. Before starting, conduct a JHA2, identify potential fall zones. Check for loose objects or overhead hazards. Evaluate anchor points and environmental conditions. 3. Pre-job equipment inspection. Each item of gear should be visually checked, verified against certification tags, logged for maintenance. 4th, rigging redundancy. Every anchor must have a minimum safety factor of 10-to-1. Use 2 independent anchors whenever possible, and ensure load distribution via Y-hangs or equalized anchors. 5th, fall protection zones. Keep workers out of fall zones using lanyards, temporary edge protection, or perimeter lines. Use tool tethering to prevent dropped object hazards. V, rescue procedures. Explained how to save a life at 100 meters. If something goes wrong, response time is everything. That's why every rope access team must be proficient in rescue scenarios, even in confined spaces or overhangs. First, suspension trauma awareness. Suspension trauma orthostatic shock occurs when a hanging technician is motionless in a harness for too long. Symptoms include fainting, nausea, and even death within minutes. Time is critical. Second, pick-off rescue, used when a technician is incapacitated mid-rope. The rescuer rappels to the victim, transfers their weight to the rescuer's system, descends with both safely to the ground. This maneuver demands flawless rope-to-rope transitions, counterweight techniques, and device manipulation under pressure. Third, haul systems. Using pulleys and mechanical advantage like 3-to-1 or 5-to-1 setups, haul systems allow for vertical rescues without relying on brute strength. Pre-rigging these systems in high-risk jobs greatly reduces rescue time. Fourth, confined space rescue. In cases of limited entry wash exit like tanks or silos, tripods or davit arms are used along with winch systems and gas monitors. Rescue plans must include ventilation protocols, breathing apparatus, SCBA or SAR, fast access to emergency services. 5. Casualty management. Once the person is retrieved, monitor vital signs, keep the casualty warm, communicate clearly with EMS. Avoid sudden changes in body position to prevent blood pooling. 6. Set up walkthroughs, rigging, anchors, and field tips. Step 1. Anchor point selection. Use rated structural beams, expansion bolts, or natural anchors like trees backed up. Never use unknown or corroded fixtures. Always test anchor integrity before applying load. Step 2. Rigging the system. Use separate anchors for working and backup lines. Employ edge protection plastic sleeves or rope guards wherever the rope touches sharp or abrasive surfaces. Tie figure 8 knots for anchor terminations. Step 3. Redundancy and releasability. Use twin rope rigging and load-sharing anchors to ensure no single point of failure. Easy system removal or adjustment. Set up releasable descender systems using munter hitches or rigging plates in case emergency lowering is needed. Step 4. Edge and drop zone management. Use safety spotters and barriers near drop zones. Mark danger areas. Communicate continuously via radios or hand signals. Step 5. Mid-job adjustments. Recheck all connectors every 30 to 60 minutes. Rehydrate and assess team fatigue levels. Document any gear changes or environmental shifts: wind, heat, vibration. 7th, pro field tips. What the best rope techs do differently. Label your gear to avoid mix-ups. Pre-tie knots at ground level to speed up rigging. Use a chest ascender plus foot loop combo for smooth verticals. Always carry a knife, Prusik loop, and small pulley for unexpected problems. In cold climates, heated gloves or chemical hand warmers make a huge difference. Don't just rig for ideal scenarios. Always ask, what if this fails? Final thoughts. Why rope access is the future of height safety? Rope access isn't just a skill, it's a system of discipline, safety, and trust. It allows humans to do the impossible, To clean the face of a dam, install a billboard 200 feet up, or perform a turbine repair in the heart of the North Sea, all with speed and precision. But it's not about adrenaline, it's about control. Whether you're just starting or you've logged thousands of hours on rope, the basics never change. Redundancy, training, and preparation save lives. So next time you see a technician dangling off the edge of a tower or rappelling down a bridge pylon, know this: there's a whole world of training, tools, and teamwork keeping them safe in the sky. Like what you've watched, stay connected for more detailed walkthroughs, gear reviews, and real-world rescue stories. Safety isn't optional, it's everything.